AI agents are empowering my day. Today, I'm going to show you how I build AI agents that are intelligent, customizable, scalable, using a tool called N8N without any code. So the tool we're building today, it's going to consist of a simple, of course, a chat box, a master AI agent, which will handle all the different tools. We can use whatever LLM we want, can even use local if you want that. We will use a Windows buffer memory to have it remember. We will add Wikipedia for it to do research. We will also add a calculator whenever it needs some complex calculating. And we will make a custom agent within the agent, so we'll basically show you how to do whatever we want and have it organized. Yeah, so let's get going. If you don't already have one, go to n8n.io and sign up for a free account. And after that's done, simply create a new workflow. Call it whatever you want. Tutorial weather. Okay. And let's start with a simple on chat message received. There. And we need to add the AI agent. Yeah, it can just be called AI agent. It is a tools agent. It will take from the previous node, from the chat input. There. Okay, it's good. And you could add a system message. It's wise to do it before scaling it with a lot of stuff. You are AI agent. Tools. You shall choose the right tool at task. Example of tools to use are weather tool, calculator, and Wikipedia. Okay, then that's ready. Here you can add whatever you want. We will go for the OpenAI here. There. For the main agent, you could probably do 4.0 mini, but I will go with 4.0 because when it's handling multiple tools, it's good to have the power of 4.0. If you don't have your key, simply go here and create a new credential and go to OpenAI API key and press here and just log in to OpenAI and create a new secret key. For memory, we can just use a Windows buffer memory. It's the easiest setup. There. And let's add our first tool. Let's start with the simple one, Wikipedia. Nothing needed here. Now it actually can use that. Let's test it already to see. Okay. What is the tallest mountain in Norway? Yeah, here we can see it. Go straight to using Wikipedia. I couldn't find specific information about the tallest mountain in Norway. However, the tallest mountain in Norway is Galdhøpiggen, which stands at, yeah, that's correct. Okay, that's good. And then we can add a calculator. No input needed here either. There. Okay, let's test this. What is 5 times 5 divided by 10? Can you be faster than the AI? It's 2.5. And let's see if 5 divided by... Yeah, looks correct. Okay. Good. And now, let's organize this a little better. Now, let's add a third tool. And now, we're going to choose the called N8N workflow tool. This way we can make another workflow, and then we can use that workflow within this workflow. Okay, this will be a weather tool. Call this tool to get the current weather on the given location. Yeah, let's start with that. So, okay, before adding that now, let's save this. And now we need to create that new workflow. This will be a pure weather agent. And here also we need to add execute workflow when called by another workflow. So let's use the execute workflow trigger. And let's add the open weather map. Here we can return the current weather data or the forecast for the next 5 days. We will return the current weather data. Here, if you don't have one, just create new credential and go to open weather map. You go here, register your account. My API case. It was go to, if you don't have one, just Google open weather map and make API key and paste it in here and press save, and it's ready for all workflows later also. Okay, we want to have the current weather. I prefer Celsius metric. You choose whatever you want, and we will use the city name. And yeah, okay. And just to test this, to go inside the workflow trigger, because whenever we are calling trigger from the other workflow, then we are sending a query. So we can just, for testing, write one manual here. So let's write a query there, and let's use Oslo as an example. There, save. Now we could go here, and now you see query here. So just drag that from the schema there, and now it will have Oslo for testing. So let's test this. Yeah, perfect. Now you can see it. It's clouds, overcast clouds. Temperature, it's cold. It's cold in Norway now. Temperature is -1 degree, feels like. Yeah. And here we have everything we need. Okay. There. Let's use message and model. Okay, use the OpenAI research there. Let's use for a meaning for this one. Okay, that's good. And for the message, let's simply write, please convert the input from the open weather map into plain English with a friendly tone. Keep it short and include the most relevant information first. Here's the data. Now we need to pass the data so the model get the data from the open weather map. And here we could just grab, okay, it should know about that temperature. Yeah, we can just give it this. there, humidity, wind, clouds. It's just since it wasn't a good description there. Cloud, and also the city. And here is the description. It's also good to have. Okay, now let's test this step. It's working. Hey there, in Oslo, the weather is a bit gloomy with overcast clouds covering the sky. The temperature is around minus 1.1 degrees, so make sure to bundle up. Stay cozy. Here you can, of course, customize like how you want. Like if include some friendly emojis. If you want that, do that. Yeah, I'll actually keep that. Now we have that. Now we also need to make a response, so we're sure we can get the data back to the main agent. And for this, we can just do this and then call that response and do the content as value. Now it will simply write this in response. Okay, back to canvas. Save this one and let's test the entire workflow. Let's see the output. Yeah, fine. Let's test another city. Again. In Bergen today. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. I also want to add. Please convert the input. Draw it down. Use only Celsius. Yeah. So there's no point in having both. Save the workflow. Okay. Get back to the okay. Now this should work. Let's get back to the main agent. And now we can add it from the list. It should show. We should probably, to be safe, just update it here. And there is, now this is his, okay, this is a good example actually that why it could be better to simply use the ID. Save that. And the last number here, it's the ID of the workflow. So let's simply use by ID. Okay. Now let's test this. And now this agent should choose the weather tool if we ask some weather relevant question. Okay, let's see if it's working now. What is the weather in Paris now? Yeah, it's using that. Okay, going back. 5 degrees in Paris with overcast skies and yeah. Weather in Paris. 4 degrees. Yeah, sounds good. Okay, cool. Take Celsius from Paris. and multiply it by 4. Now we can see it should use the memory. Yeah, verify the width is by 4. Okay, this is working exactly as supposed to. Of course, this is just the beginning. Then we could add like vector stores and Gmail, calendars, even content creation. Yeah, you can basically make a